Yes. What is the GP series? GP series is, once again I am writing GP series: A, AR,
Oh,
AR square, AR cube, so on, AR power n minus 1. This is the last term, and also we can say general sum. First term is what? A. First term is A. Common ratio. Common ratio is what? This by this. AR by A is equal to R. This by this. AR square by AR. A cancel. R once cancel. Again R. Like this, you will get the common ratio is R. Small r is the common ratio. And the very important what? General term. General term is what? General term means second, third, fourth, fifth, whatever it is, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 20th, 100th, 500th, 700th, whatever it is. To find that term, we have to use one formula, that is general term. Tn is equal to this one, A r power n minus 1. So these three very important for first exercise. For first exercise. So I'm erasing this already, because of now I will give you one question. That is example 1. What is the question? Listen carefully the question. And very important mathematics listening question. Understanding question is very, very important. That's why listen first the question. What is given? What is asking? So the question number 1 is what? Show that the progression. Show that the progression. Show that the progression 3 comma 6 comma 12 comma 24 comma 48 so on. This is the progression is given. We have to show this is GP. Show that the progression GP. We have to show first this is what? GP. And also we have to find the first what? And find first what? First term. First term we have to find. Second. What we have to find? Second question. Common ratio. Common ratio. Common ratio. And what is the third bit is asking? Nth term. Nth term. Nth term. And what is the fourth bit is asking? 10th term. 10th term. This is very much useful question. In this question, we can find first this given series is AP or not. We can find first term, common ratio, nth term, and 10th term. So all we can find in one question. Okay. So in previous question, what we find there, only is the GP or not only we find, and first term we find. Okay. First of all, to prove this is GP or not, very important what? Common ratio should be same. Then we can say that progression is called GP. So, okay, what is the given series? Solution. Given series is 3 comma 6 comma 12 comma 24 comma 48. Observe that 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24, 24 2 ja 48, so on. So into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, that multiple is nothing but common ratio. I told you just now, this only we taken as example. Okay, what is the multiple term here? 2 2 2 2, that is clearly common ratio, and that is same here 2 here 2 here 2 here 2 here also 2. For every for every ratio we are getting what? 2. So we can say this is GP, but we have to prove na. Now 6 by 3, that is T2 by T1. I told you how we will find common ratio. Second by first, third by second, fourth by third, fifth by fourth, like this. For every number with that preceding number, we have to find ratio. Is equal to 12 by 6, is equal to 24 by 12, is equal to 48 by 12. Sorry, 24. 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. 6 1 ja, 6 2 ja. 12 1 ja, 12 2 ja. 24 1 ja, 24 2 ja. What is the common ratio we are getting? 2 is the common ratio. See, 2 2 2 2. Here 2, here 2, here 2, here 2. The ratio here 2, the ratio here 2, the ratio here 2, the ratio here 2. So what is the common ratio is 2. So we are getting for every 2 digits, means for every ratio same value 2 2 2 2. So since ratio is equal, given progression is called GP. That is first question. Show that GP finish. Now what is the first bit? What is the first bit? First term we have to find. First term. Lucky చెప్పగలవా? First term ఏంటి? What is the first term in this series? What is the first term? Can you say
3.
Lucky? 3. So we denote
నేను కూడా వింటాం. డాడీ నన్ను వినమన్నారు.
sure. Don't talk. What is the first term denotes with A? First term is 3. So first term A is equal to 3. Finish. Second bit. Second bit. Lucky, can you say what is the common ratio? Common ratio. Common ratio.
2.
2. Now Jibin, be ready. Common ratio is, we denote with R. R is equal to 2. Always listen, don't say 2, don't say 1, don't say 3 like that. If I ask you first term, you have to say A equal to 3. You have to denoting with A na. And what is the common ratio? You have to say R equal to 2. And now choice to Jibin. Tell me what is the nth term. How we will find nth term? What is the formula for nth term, Jibin? Jibin. Nth term formula. Nth term formula, Jibin.
Sir,
Hello?
Tn is equals to AR n
Nth
minus 1.
term Tn is equal to A R power n minus
n
1.
minus 1.
See, yeah, okay. Yeah, mute yourself. First term A, but what is the first term? 3. You have in terms of number. Second term R, I mean common ratio R, you are in terms of numerical 2. And Tn is the last term, but you are in terms of A, R, like that. So you have to substitute A value 3, R value 2 here. That is, nth term is A 3 R 2 power n minus 1. That is 3 into 2 power n minus 1 is the nth term for this GP. For this GP, lastly, what we will get? Tn is equal to 3 into 2 power n minus 1. This is what? Nth term. Now, third bit completed. Fourth bit is what? 10th term is asking. First term, second term, third, fourth, fifth, like this, you will get the 10th term. Na? To find the 10th term also, we have to use same general formula. Now, anyone, can you tell me, one of both of you, how we will find the 10th term? 10th term. 10th term.
Sir, T10 is equals to?
Yeah. So n equal to 10 here, right?
Yes.
Nth term means n equal to 10. First term means n equal to 1. Second term n equal to 2. Third term n equal to 12. Now we are finding nth term n equal to n. And we are finding 10th term n equal to 10. That is T10 is equal to, we have to substitute in this formula n equal to 10. T10 is equal to A. What is A? 3.
3.
What is R? 2. Power. What is n? 10 minus 1 is equal to 3 into 2 power 9. 3 into 2 power 9. So we have to write 2 9 times in multiplication, that is equal to 3 into 2. You have to write in 9 times. 2 into 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 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8, 8 to ja 16, 16 to ja 32, 32 to ja 64, 64 to ja 128, 128 to ja 256, 256 to ja. That is 500, 256 na 512, 512 into 3. 3 into 512, that is equal to 3 2 just 6, 3 1 just 3, 3 5 just 15. So what is the 10th term in this series? If you write like this 48, then like this, first term t1, t2, t3, t4, t5, and you will get lastly 10th term, not last term. 10th term will be what you will get, 1536 somewhere you will get, that is 10th term. Then 11, 13, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, like that. Last term is what? 3 into 2 power n minus 1. So we can write one more step also, this one, but you can stop up to here. I will tell you how we can write one more step, that is simplification in further solutions. Okay, so this is the solution for this, and any doubt you can ask me, Jibin or Lakshmi Prasanna. Any doubt? If you have no doubt, then you can copy the solution. Yeah, now I will give you one more question. That is similar but little bit different in calculations. So what is that question? Listen question. The understanding question is very important. Once again, I'm telling you that is. And before that, see, suppose if I will give you 2 comma 3 by 5, 2 comma 3 by 5, or 2 by 5 comma 3. If I will give you two numbers like this, how you will find the common ratio? We know what this is the first term, suppose this is second term. The common ratio is what? Small r is equal to T2 by T1 is the formula. This by this is the formula. Listen carefully. You will get in further questions like this terms. This by this you have to do. Then r equal to T2 3 by T1 means this one. That is 2 by 3, 2 by 5. T2 by T1. But here you have for denominator, you said we call this is numerator, this is denominator. This total term is denominator, this term is numerator. This is one term, this is one more term. But in denominator, you have again numerator and denominator. This is clearly a fraction, but always a fraction having one numerator, one denominator. But here, one numerator, again, one more numerator and denominator. So, how you can raise this type of a fraction as like this? I mean, with one numerator, one denominator, how you will write that I will tell you. R equal to, we have here what? 3 by 2 by 5. This 5 is denominator for 2, not denominator of 3. This total 2 by 5 means this total 2 by 5 is the denominator of 3. So this 5 is the denominator of 2 only. For 2, what is the denominator? 5. For 3, what is the denominator? 2 by 5. Now this 5 is called what? You know, denominator of denominator. Denominator of denominator is 5. For 3, denominator 2 by 5. and for 2 denominator is 5. For 3 this 5 is called denominator of denominator. So if you have like this any fraction, you can write 5 will be the multiple of 3, that is nothing but 3 into 5 will be numerator now. 5 by the 2 is the same denominator, that is equal to 3 5 ja 15 by 2. This is one type. And one more type you have, like if you have 3 comma 2 by 5, this is first, this is second. The common ratio formula is same, second by first only, whatever it is in place of first one, whatever it is in place of second one. But always our formula is what? Second by first. That's only second by first we have to write. Now I am writing common ratio are equal to this by this, that is 2 by 5 by are equal to 2 by 5 by 3, this by this. If you observe now, for numerator you have one denominator, and for total this one you have one more denominator. If you are like this, for denominator one more denominator, this will be multiple of 3. This will be numerator. This 5 will go up. Then 3 into 5 by 2 you can write. But if you have like this, very simple, this denominator, see, for 2 denominator is 5. For 3, what is the denominator? Nothing is there, na? But we can write always by 1. 3 by 1, 3. 3, 3. 3 by 1, 3. Now, this 3 by 1 we can write as 2 by 5 into this 1 will be, I told you, numerator 1. By this 3 will be as it is denominator. Then you can write what? 2 1 ja 2 by 5 3 ja 15. Or you can write without writing denominator also. Listen carefully. R equal to, we have what? 2 by 5 by 3. I'm not writing 1 now. This one I'm not writing 1. With writing 1 you can write like this. Without writing 1 also you can write. How you know? Just 5 take as denominator. That's what? 2 by this 5 will be denominator 5 into 3. 5 3 ja 15. 2 by 15. Same 2 by 15. Okay, once again, if you like this 3 by 2 by 5, this 5 will be the numerator. Then 3 into 5 by 2. 3 5 is 15 by 2. If you like this 2 by 5 by 3, this 5 will be the multiple of 3. 5 into 3. Or you can write 3 by 1. That 1 will be the numerator, 3 will be the denominator, 5 will be the denominator. Whatever it is, you can learn in your own way. Now, I will give you one more question. Listen, our time is going to complete. That's why I want to give you one more question. And first write homework questions. Homework questions. That is, the first homework question is, show that the progression. Show that the progression. 81. No. Don't write this. That will be very. You will get in fraction form. Show that the progression 2 comma 6 comma 18 comma 54 comma 162 is in GP, and the first bit is find and also find first term, second bit common ratio, third bit nth term, fourth bit you have to find eighth term. Same like previous question, but the series is different. Okay, and one more question. Remaining all are little bit different. I will give you. This first question is okay, and second question also okay. I'm writing that this is exercise. Which exercise this is? 11A. First question. This is example 2. Example 2. What is that? Show that the progression. 81, 27, 9, 3, 1 are in GP, and same first one same second one, same third one, but the fourth one is find 11th term. 11th term. Copy fast. You have only 8 minutes, I think. I have to give you one more question in these 8 minutes. Mute yourself, please. Yeah, I'm erasing. If you want, you can see in YouTube. I will upload now. And now the question is what? Now the question is more 6 minutes. Which question I have to give you? Question number example 3. What is that example 3? Which term of GP 5 comma 10 comma 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20, 20 to the 40 is, which term of GP is 2560. So very easy question. This type of questions also you have to understand. So see, he's saying what? One series is given. What is the series given? 5 comma 10 comma 20 comma 40 comma 42 80 comma so on given. The last term is not given. First term is given. Common ratio we can find. What is the first term? First term A is equal to 5. Common ratio R is equal to this by this, this by this, this by this. We have to say. We have to find actually. But given this is GP, na? So we don't do again all this by this. This is clearly GP. If we ask to prove that is GP, we have to find all common ratios. Now I am finding only one, that is 10 by 5. 10 by 5 is equal to what? 2. So R value 2, A value 5, and it is asking what? 5, 10, 20, 40, 80 like this. If you write all terms, somewhere you will get to 2560. So on. Somewhere you will get. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, 11th. Like that, if you take, this is which term? This is which term? We don't know. That is, he's asking to find. This is which term? Where this is located? 100th term, 50th term, 70th term, 23rd term? We don't know. But he's asking to find this is which term? This is which term? For that, we have to use general term formula. So, given general term is 2560. This is the general term. Okay. Now, by using the general term Tn, this is nothing but Tn. I mean general term. Okay. Tn is equal to formula. We have what? A into R power n minus 1. So here I am writing A R power n minus 1 this side and Tn that side. That is A into R power n minus 1 is equal to Tn, means general term. You can write this equal to this or this equal to this. Now A, what is A? 5 into, what is R? There you have 2 power n minus 1 is equal to, what is Tn? Tn is 2560. Now 5 taking that side, 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 2560 by 5. Now cancel 5 1 ja, 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5, and 5 2 ja 10, 5 12. So 2 power n minus 1 is equal to what? 512. So 2 power n minus 1 is equal to 512. In previous question, 2 power 9 is 512. Already we know. 2 into 2 into 2, we write now 9 times. There we got 2 power 9 value 512. So 512 we can write 2 power 9. If you want, you can multiply 2 into 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 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, to the 32, to the 64, to the 128, to the 256, to the 512. So we can write this is equal to 2 power 9 is equal to 512. So 512 I am writing 2 power 9. Why? This is 2 power something, na? We can write this is also 2 power something. Then we can get answer very easy. Now 2 power something, 2 power something. There is a formula we have. A power m is equal to a power n. That implies m equal to n. When you have bases are same, then we can equate these two powers. So that implies we can write n minus 1 is equal to 9. Minus 1 taking that side, it will be plus 1. N is equal to 9 plus 1. N is equal to 10. So therefore 2560 is 10th term. 10th term in given GP. In given GP. So this is which term in this GP? 10th term. Understand? If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Otherwise, copy this fast. Why? Because we have no time. More 1.5 minute. Copy fast. Or if you have any doubt, you can ask me. No problem. Jibin, tell me fast. Understand or not?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, copy fast. Lucky, copy fast. So for today, this is the class. Tomorrow I will continue with some new questions, and I gave you already homework. Please, from first onwards, I mean, what I gave you in starting, that onwards you have to copy. You have to revise once again. Then tomorrow's class will be very easy. Okay, na? Copy fast. Thank you.